I started farming when probably 20 years ago is when I got going in it. My main crops are alfalfa and corn that we raise here. Our alfalfa is baled up and sent to the dairies, and then the corn is raised for feed corn and goes generally to the feedlot. In 2015, we won the Spring Forage Award at the Southeastern Hay Contest in Moultrie, Georgia. It was based on testing, and all of the hay tests came back at over 300 relative feed value on that sample. Relative feed value is a test used by most dairies and feedlots to test the quality of the hay, and that's also how they determine how much of it they need to feed to gain a pound of milk or a pound of beef. I think that drip irrigation played a big role in producing our high quality forage this year. There are several advantages to the drip over the pivot, and one is being able to apply water in a timely manner so the plant never really stresses for any of the water. Another advantage of the NETAFIM drip irrigation system is applying of fertilizers and nutrients that are needed, and they're applied right to the root zone where the plant can actually use them immediately.
It's unique for a farmer to grow alfalfa in this area because alfalfa is such a water intensive crop, so it was kind of for Randy jumping out on a limb to put a massive acres, a block of alfalfa in, considering the water situation that we are in this area.
Efficiency is absolutely critical in this territory. Our water is declining, commodity prices are rock bottom. We are absolutely having to get the most bang for our buck for every input that we put into a farm.
And so the drip irrigation has seemed to solve that problem for us, and we are actually able to, we're using the same amount of water probably, but we have nearly doubled our tonnage and yield per an acre, so we feel like that's really been a big advantage to us. We're looking at a 3-year payoff. The extra tonnage on the hay has been more than enough to cover the cost of the investment.
I'd say most all of our customers that we have been positive experiences. Most of the guys that we get on board turn into repeat customers and start putting on more and more acres every year.
I would highly recommend a NETAFIM drip irrigation system to other farmers in the area. You know, the current farmer is facing several challenges, and one is low commodity prices, and one of the best ways it seems like to overcome these lower prices is to increase your yield, and drip irrigation has done that for us.